Hello everyone. My guest today is extremely funny, extremely witty, and extremely talented. I'm talking about Amol Parashar. Amol looks visibly embarrassed, and so I think my job's done here. There's no studio audience here, no one here to sort of.
Thank you. Lot of pressure with that introduction. आपने ऐसा अभी मुझे कुछ funny भी बोलना पड़ेगा, कुछ talented भी बोलना पड़ेगा. ऐसा बोलना पड़ेगा.
But aren't you kind of used to it? Isn't it? Isn't someone you walk in and it's like, "Ara Amol, they expect you to be funny and crack a funny joke, always."
I think थोड़ा तो होता है कभी-कभी, especially just after Tripling came out, I used to meet a lot of young people who would think ना कुछ crazy करेगा अभी, चितवन, he'll say something crazy, will do something crazy, और मैं चुपचाप ऐसा फोटो खिंचा के चले जाता था. So I could see the look of disappointment in their faces कि कुछ अजीब नहीं हुआ, कुछ ऐसा wild चीज बोली नहीं, कुछ ऐसा style नहीं मारा. So then I think slowly I had to learn कि ये सब सीखना पड़ा, क्योंकि फिर वो लगता था कि हाँ हमने चित्रन के साथ फोटो खिंचाई है, अमोल के साथ नहीं खिंचवाई है.
तो they like do something crazy.
ये वाली फोटोज, ये वाली सर and बोल भी sweetly sometimes they request you also कि सर एक ये वाला, you click a nice picture and सर ये वाला.
But thank you so much for doing this, Amol.
No,
I know we all have a lot of housework to do. तो आपने हमारे लिए
बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल है. लोगों को पूछना पड़ता है कितने बजे फ्री है, कौन से दिन फ्री है, बिकॉज एवरी मंडे को क्लीनिंग है, ट्यूसडे को खाना बनाना है, तो ये सब बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल है. लाइक माय पेरेंट्स आर सरप्राइज. उनको लगा कि अब तो रोज बात करेगा, अब तो फ्री है, घर पे बैठा है, बट कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा होता है. सो आई टेल देम कि नहीं अभी नहीं कर सकता. दे आर आल्सो डैम सरप्राइज कि अभी क्या चल रहा है.
आई सॉ योर वीडियोस. मतलब गैस चलाने में आपको 2 हफ्ते लग गए. आमुल, आई एम वेरी कंसर्न्ड. मैं खाना भिजवा रही हूँ आपको, डोंट वरी.
प्लीज. बट ये बहुत अच्छी चीज हुई है कि दोस्त लोग सब एक दूसरे को भेज भी रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं भी कुछ बनाता हूँ या कुछ ज्यादा बना लेता हूँ या अच्छा बन जाता है, तो मुझे भी लगता है कि नहीं खिलाया जाए. सो आई सेंड अ बॉक्स टू अ फ्रेंड्स हाउस. समबडी सेंड मी अ केक लास्ट वीक. Otherwise, I've been another friend sending nice food regularly. So that is happening, but I'm also returning the favor. कि मैं भी सोचता हूँ कि आज कुछ अच्छा बना है तो चलो दुनिया में बांटा जाए, चाहे वो थोड़ा ही हो. But please send. I will be more than happy.
But you've also done some shooting, yeah, during this time.
I did a little bit. एक दो चीजें ऐसी फन के लिए, जो गैस जलाने वाला वीडियो. There's another video. So a couple of things I shot for fun. I mean, other things are also for fun, but this was just purely for fun for my Instagram or whatever. अगर कुछ अच्छा बन गया तो डाल दिया.
Yeah.
Then a couple of things I shot. I shot one little show we shot. Again, I was shooting it like, it was like a fun thing. And then वो पता चला वो जाके कहीं ऐसा OTT पे आ गया. Like proper like लोगों ने देखा, वो सब भी हुआ. Then a few people asked me about doing short films also. I shot an ad. Couple of brand things I shoot on my own, but mostly खुद ही है, मतलब like shooting on my own and working from home, like how everybody is working from home. We're also working from home. तो सीखा है, कुछ नई चीजें सीखी हैं इस बहाने. एडिटिंग सीख ली, खुद ही फोन पे एडिट कर रहे हैं, वीडियोस और बना रहे हैं, डाल रहे हैं. So sometimes on some days social media can depress you. So those days I just try to avoid social media and just talk to some friends, same people who will say same things about the world, because then suddenly you're sitting at home and the world seems like a bad place on social media. It just seems like a weird place. So that can get a little difficult, but I think thankfully I've had 2-3 friends who I have been in touch with, and it's like and that kind of grounds you, because like there are some sanity in those conversations. You can say things, you can say how you're feeling and all, because social media पे तो कुछ भी आप लिखते हो तो आप express भी नहीं कर पाते हो ज़्यादा, पता नहीं कहाँ से क्या बन जाता है. So I think that I have been very thankful for, that whatever 3, 4, 5 people I've been regularly in touch with through the lockdown, I think they've been great, and I hope I have been able to also play that role for them. They can also say the same thing. I hope they'll also say the same thing कि हाँ भाई, because those things help. Some people you deeply trust, their opinions you trust, and even if it is just a casual conversation, it kind of normalizes things. The world seems like a nice place. Equalizer पता नहीं यार, अभी तो नया है, बच्चा है, अभी ये बिगड़ेगा. अभी शुरू में सब भोले मासूम होते हैं, फिर जब जैसे बड़े होते हैं वो सब दुनिया बिगाड़ देती है. So you don't know. Like of course, right now it is at a nascent stage, and there is more democracy and there is more opportunities. बट बिगड़ भी सकता है, किसको पता है.
Some fun, quick questions. Are you ready, Amol?
Let me check my notes.
Be very careful. Okay. So here's
Yeah.
the first one. What's the funniest nickname that you have?
Funniest nickname?
Yeah.
ऐसा कोई एक तो कोई निकनेम मेरा कभी बना नहीं, बिकॉज आई थिंक मेरा नाम बहुत छोटा सा है, तो उसका
हाँ.
निकनेम बनाने में बहुत एफर्ट जाता है. मतलब अमोल को और कितना निक करोगे आप, तो मोल अमो, मतलब ये सब वियर्ड है.
Yes.
So,
No one's given you
ज्यादा
like
तो
weird
स्कूल,
name.
हाँ वो स्कूल में लोग ऐसा कुछ कुछ बनाते हैं. पीपल वांट टू फाइंड अ नाइस फनी नेम टू टीज यू विद. सो स्कूल में लोग बोलते थे कोई मूली, मूली होता था एक, मूली कुछ लोगों को काफी पसंद था. देन पराशर का प्रेशर कुकर बनता था, प्रेशर कुकर.
That's a good one.
बट ये भी क्या है
Pressure
कि
cooker.
हाँ, but these are not names that can stick. ये आप
Yeah.
थोड़े दिनों तक चलते हैं, फिर चले जाते हैं, फिर कुछ नया आता है. So
Yeah.
I've never had a nickname which is like, which has stuck around. A lot of my friends will just twist your name, Amoli, Amola, Molu. वो उतना ही है वो, और उसमें वो प्यार से है.
An actor who you'd love to be in quarantine with because he'd entertain you or you'd find it very, very, very fun to be with.
I think Sumit, yeah. Sumit, I think I missed him a little bit. Also because he's been, of course, because of the pandemic thing, and he's also now has a baby and is fully
Yeah.
emotionally, physically invested in that. But we had a brief meeting recently. Once things opened up, I went to meet him because I wanted to see him. So yeah, and he's a fun guy. Yeah. And sometimes you spend so much time with some people and you enjoy their company and they can just be fun. So I think in that respect, if we were together, then I'm sure we would have brought the house down. Hopefully not literally, but but maza aata. Because I think
Yeah.
sometimes you just enjoy some people's company. They can brighten
Yeah.
the mood, and he's one of those people, I think.
Which actor's Insta feed keeps you really entertained?
I think Sharib is very funny. I don't know if you follow Sharib. I've gotten to know him personally last year only. We shot for something together just for a couple of days, but we had a great time. He's a great guy with a lot of energy, good energy, a lot of fun. Almost every post has some fun going, some pun, word pun is happening, wordplay is happening, or some referencing happening. And I love how he's able to do that like constantly all the time, because I feel on some days I am not in the mood. Like even if I'm posting, I'm like, अभी कौन caption सोचेगा, अभी कौन funny लिखेगा. But Sharif is constantly at it, and I love that. And it's genuine. Like, you can see it. Once you meet him, you know that it's genuine. It's coming from a good place. So I love that about him. I've only started to follow him in the last 1 year, but I think it's just he can bring up your energy personally if you meet him, and also through social media, he's always doing that. So that's something great, I think.
And whom would you give the first hug to post the pandemic is over, where the social distancing thing is finally over?
I think my flatmate.
Are you still not giving him a hug?
No, we are not huggers really, but but I do feel that this is an experience that all of us will remember for our lifetime. I guess we will all have stories, and even if I'm sure we won't be living together for the rest of our lives. I don't know, but but वो आपको याद रहेगा कि जब वो हुआ था 2020 में पैंडेमिक आया था, याद है, वायरस आया था, कोविड-19, सब लोग कैसे घरों के अंदर ही थे. So I'm sure this will right now it feels like ठीक है, चलो we are getting through day by day, but I'm sure this is a great experience यार. मतलब ये हमेशा रहेगा कि हाँ, जब 4 महीने हम घर पे थे तो हम दोनों साथ में रहते थे. 10 years later, 15 years later, so and getting through it together, even if you are not ha 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 hoo hoo all the time, you're getting through it together emotionally. घर का काम बांट रहे हो. It's almost like a married couple without the sex.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
तुम ये काम करो, तुम वो काम करो.
You're still topping the most stylish lists.
सब पुरानी फोटोज देखे, वही मैंने उसमें लिखा भी ना कि it's all about the old photos ना, because I'm not putting any pictures in pajamas. You don't know. ऊपर मैंने जैकेट पहना हुआ है, नीचे मैंने पजामा पहना है, वो आपको पता ही नहीं.
यहाँ जितना होना चाहिए वहां तक.
हाँ, मतलब इतना रेडी हो जाते हैं, एक टी शर्ट के ऊपर जैकेट डाल लेते हैं, थोड़ा बाल के लिए छुपा लेते हैं, बट जो नहीं दिख रहा है वो उसमें उसका क्या ट्रबल लेना.
Absolutely. A retro fashion trend that you love and why?
I think sometimes I've really enjoyed looking at and fantasizing myself in those big collar shirts. Something those 70s Also because I think we grew up watching those films where all the heroes are wearing those shirts, you know, बड़े कॉलर वाला स्टाइल में एक तो बटन भी खुले हुए हैं. तो वो I've never done that, but I think that'll be fun if I could pull it off.
Something from your wardrobe that you carry everywhere because you absolutely love it.
Not a specific thing, but I think one should always remember to carry some underwears wherever you go.
Yes,
Don't
that's
forget.
important.
Never forget.
Date night.
डेट नाइट तो क्या मतलब ऐसा इतना नथिंग स्पेशल. वही है यार, मतलब नॉर्मल कैजुअल ओनली. आई थिंक ऐसा आजकल वो डेट वाला वो नहीं है कि आप ऐसा शर्ट और टाई पहन के जाते हो. आई थिंक दैट डजंट एग्जिस्ट एंड यू वांट टू पुट फोर्थ हु यू आर. सो दिस इज हु आई एम. देन सच यही सच है भाई, आप देख लो. I do like I like some layering because just to क्योंकि मैंने कभी भी ज्यादा मेहनत करके बॉडी बनाई नहीं वो सब. तो सबने just feel like कि थोड़ा सा you know just to add some nice layering volume. बाइसेप दिखाऊंगा फिर लोग डर जाएंगे ना, बाइसेप दिखाऊंगा तो इसलिए मैं छुपा लेता हूँ. So but I do.
Name an actor whose wardrobe you'd like to raid and why.
I guess the answer for most people would be Ranveer, because I'm sure he will have all kinds of stuff. मतलब बहुत सारी अलग-अलग तरह की चीजें आपको मिल जाएंगी and you can pick whatever you want according to your taste. And he will have almost all kinds of stuff in that wardrobe, I believe, with the clothes he wears.
You've been someone who's been part of this medium for a while now. You know, you all started, you all have been doing shows, digital shows for a while. And at that time, of course, there was still this hierarchy that people used to feel with films. It's what this pandemic has also done is realize that OTT can be truly an equalizer for any kind of star system. What are your thoughts on it?
It is definitely, as of now, maybe more democratic than other mediums, because there is a direct to audience thing. They can react as in how they like it. They can stop watching if they don't want to watch the whole thing. In film sometimes आपने टिकट खरीद लिया, आप जाके बैठ गए, अब आपको लगता है कि 2 घंटा देख ही लेता हूँ, तो आप पूरा देख लेते हो और टिकट के पैसे भी आप पूरे दे चुके हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जाके आप पीपल से मेरा पैसा वापस करो, कभी मिलता नहीं है. तो एक बार दे दिया तो दे दिया. So इसमें at least ये है, I think that you can actually see what are people enjoying or not, and I'm sure these platforms have a lot of data. हम लोग उसमें नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हैं. At least I, as an actor or a creator, no one doesn't. I would like to not get into too much of data also, because that can just affect how you think. But I'm sure they have कि लोग कितना देख रहे हैं, कहाँ तक देख रहे हैं, कौन सा सीन फॉरवर्ड कर दे रहे हैं, कौन सा कहाँ पे पॉज कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे रिवाइंड कर रहे हैं. So this all is there. So you it is truly how the watcher is behaving to your reacting to your content. So that all is there. Equalizer पता नहीं यार, अभी तो नया है, बच्चा है, अभी ये बिगड़ेगा. अभी शुरू में तो सब भोले मासूम होते हैं, फिर जब जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं वो सब दुनिया बिगाड़ देती है. So you don't know. Like of course right now it is at a nascent stage and there is more democracy and there is more opportunities, but बिगड़ भी सकता है, किसको पता है कि वो, क्योंकि because structures will start to set in. अभी क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है कुछ, अभी सब ट्राई कर रहे हैं, एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं. बट एक बार ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं यार, ऐसा रूल्स बन गए कि इस तरह के शोज चलते हैं, इस तरह के शोज नहीं चलते हैं. समटाइम्स दैट काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग कैन आल्सो अफेक्ट योर थिंकिंग कि यार वो लास्ट टाइम किसी ने कॉमेडी बनाया था तो कॉमेडी नहीं बनाते हैं. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विल इवेंचुअली इमर्ज, बिकॉज पहले कुछ था ही नहीं, रेफरेंस ही नहीं था. पहले देखते हैं, मन कर रहा है, बनाते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होगा. when we were making Tripling, there was no reference of कि हम इस तरह का शो बना रहे हैं. Right now already when you go and pitch a show, people ask you for a reference कि अब लोग बोलते होंगे कि sir this is in the Tripling zone, this is in the pictures zone, this is that zone. But when pictures and Tripling were getting made, there was no zone. They were just stories that people wanted to tell. So this will happen. I mean, this is not something that I'm complaining about कि ऐसा होगा, but this is something that one has to be aware of, and if possible, then do whatever you can to break those structures a little bit, so that creativity can also thrive. Yeah, Tripling promotion.
Ooh.
This is Tripling promotion. I think our first day of
such a happy picture.
It's a very fun picture, and I think shooting के time पे, in fact, at least with co-actors there is less interaction. I think there is so much work also happening ना, shooting ये वो scene में. आप chill भी करते हो, but I think promotion के time पे बहुत time मिलता है chill करने, because you're being yourself, you can talk, you can chat. So I think this was the first day of promotion of Tripling 2. We all dressed up बाबा अपना सूट बूट पहन के, मानवी अपना नाइस फन क्लोथ्स कलरफुल, मैंने भी अपना एक बर्गर वाला टी शर्ट पहन लिया.
Yeah. Time for our second game where I show you very interesting pictures. You'll have to tell me the memory associated with it, probably the caption, probably why you like something about that. So let's do this. Are you ready?
I'll try. Sure. What have you got? I want to see what you've got.
The first picture, I think, is very hero wali picture. So, sir. Ooh. Very. तेरा ध्यान किधर है? तेरा hero
full
इधर है.
style, low angle, बाल ठीक करते हुए, चश्मा लगा के.
I love this photo, by the way. I saw
It's
it.
a nice
I'm like,
picture.
ooh.
It's a nice picture and it is shot right here under my building. So
Oh,
पीछे जो आपको
really?
pipes दिख रहे हैं वो सब मेरी building के ही pipes हैं. It's like
But very grunge, huh? Nicely done.
हाँ वो थोड़ा editing भी किया है बाद में. It's actually a friend of mine called Rahul and I have frankly honestly not done many photo shoots in life. You know, just for the sake of having pictures. So I have 2-3 friends. Sometimes they say कि चलो आज free है तो चल एक घंटा अपन कुछ photo खींचते हैं. So I think I'd called Rahul. Rahul has clicked a lot of my pictures. Like this only. Like he'll come over or I'll go to his place and just click a few pictures. So this is one of that. Yeah. Tripling promotion.
Ooh.
This is tripling promotion. I think our first
But
day
it's
of...
such a happy picture.
It's a very fun picture. And I think shooting के time पे, in fact, at least with co-actors, there is less interaction. As in there is so much work also happening. ना shooting ये वो scene में. आप chill भी करते हो. But I think promotion के time पे बहुत time मिलता है chill करने का. Because you're being yourself, you can talk, you can chat. So I think this was the first day of promotion of Tripling 2. We all dressed up. Baba अपना सूट बूट पहन के, मानवी अपना nice fun clothes, colorful. मैंने भी अपना एक burger वाला t-shirt पहन लिया.
Yeah, you not only carry your heart on your sleeve, you carry burgers on your shirt as well. Well done.
Well done there. I see what you did there.
Ahana and you. This is Ready to Mingle.
This is Ready to Mingle. Yeah, we are shooting in Film City. Nice rainy day. Because otherwise you were shooting in this very... you start to hate the locations where you shoot a lot. Same room, same house. So most of the show was shot in this one house, which is supposed to be our house where we live. It was in Mud Island. Mud Island, Jao, Rose, same kamre mein, same this thing. So this was a nice change because we were shooting in Film City, we were shooting some outdoor portions. And we got a nice bunch of pictures clicked, all of us. And if you're shooting with Ahana, you are bound to get pictures clicked. मतलब आप भी इतने खुश होते हो कि आपको भी इतना लगता है कि हाँ मेरी कितनी सारी फोटोज है. You know, otherwise because I am one का कुछ शर्म आती है ना, मेरे फोटो खींचे. Ahana is, if you're shooting with her, if you're working with her, you will definitely have a lot of pictures of yourself, of her, of people together, everything. This is my first picture on Instagram now, I think.
Yeah, I thought why not?
Yeah.
Because I thought it's, I don't know, it's such a cute. You look, कितने मासूम लग रहे हो आप यहाँ पे.
You check out those cheeks. That was, it was that.
I think it's very cute.
Yeah, it is cute. It's quite a 3, 4, 5 years ago, I think. And that's Vishal, and that's Manvi. And that's Vishal, and I'd done a film with Vishal. We were in a film called Traffic together. And I think this is... and then we were invited... Traffic was a Foxstar film. Foxstar had a screening of another film and they had invited the cast.
Yeah, this was Brothers screening लिखा हुआ है.
कौन सी screening? Brothers screening. Yeah. Correct. So Foxstar, I think Brothers came out before our film, so they had invited the cast. So Vishal was there. Again, Vishal, I love to have friends who click a lot of pictures. Because I don't have
and
to
good ones, no?
And good ones, no? Because they click a lot of pictures, they know how to click nice pictures. They don't sharma about what angle. If they don't get a nice picture, they will click a nice picture. मेरा क्या होगा कि नहीं आई अभी वापस लेना है कि नहीं लेना है देखते पता नहीं. You know, but with people like that, friends like that, it is clear कि अरे ये अच्छी नहीं है, यहाँ पे खड़े, यहाँ पे देखो, ऊपर देखो. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पता नहीं है, but sometimes in public with other people आपको थोड़ी सी शर्म आ जाती है कि अभी वापस से खींचे नहीं खींचे, या आपको लग रहा है कि यार मैं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा हूँ, या you know, so but it's nice. So that's why I'm saying, which is why I enjoy people like Ahana or Vishal, is कि they'll clearly say कि नहीं one more, give me one more picture, do like this. They'll also direct you, so it's fun. You're not taking the pressure of कि भाई photo खींचनी थी, अच्छा लगना चाहिए. They will make sure like we will have nice pictures from an event or a shoot or everything, and so the pressure is off you. You know, sometimes very similarly, like if I'm watching a film now, suddenly in one scene, two people are hugging and I'm like, you know, people are just touching stuff randomly, door खोल लिया, कुछ कर लिया, coffee cup उठा लिया. Well, right now it feels like that वो एक आदत change हो गई है कि हाथ धो लिए हर चीज से पहले या कुछ हाथ लगाया या हाथ नहीं लगाया. You know, if somebody is giving me something, like my guard is handing me something, तो आप छोड़ दो गाड़ी के अंदर डाल दो. I don't have to take it. Just drop it.
Yeah.
Drop it inside the car.
Yeah.
So these kind of habits are naturally formed. So ये तो लगता है कि अरे कोई फोटो देख के या even like I'm saying कोई आप फिल्म भी देखते हो पुरानी नई या शो देखते हो और आपको लगता है कि अरे लोग तो नॉर्मल ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रहे हैं. For a moment, you know, it's slightly disruptive for your mind. And then you are reminded कि अच्छा नहीं normally तो ऐसे ही होता है. ये अभी special case है जो है.
Yeah, on that note, thank you so much, Amol. I had so much fun.
Thank you. Same here.
You're
Thank
always
you.
so
Thank
positive.
you.
I love chatting with you.
Same here. Thank you. I had fun. Soon.
Bye. Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.